Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best nailers for siding that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Metabo HPT coil nailer for siding. Metabo HPT introduces tools, which is essentially a rock-solid force device and hardware. From now on, its buyer-grade siding nailer is very groundbreaking and solid. This siding nailer is now available in the third case. It could very well be another incredible choice. On the off chance, you are looking for an exceptional groundbreaking pneumatic nail, you can utilize this siding nailer for nails 1.5 inch to 2.5 inches in length. These can be either plastic sheet tested nails according to your requirements and prerequisites. Another incredible thing about this siding nailer is that it allows you to change the inability to use the free modification of its materials effectively. This is very convenient when using 16-degree wire tested curl nails for siding. What's more, since it's an aerodynamic side nailer, you have to attach it to an air blower to use it. Concerning aerial tension, it can operate from 70 psi to 120 psi without any problems. Moving on, at number 4, we have the USA Corp CN565S3 siding coil nailer. This model may be a top-of-the-road professional-grade pneumatic siding nailer. It's employed for sheathing, subflooring, roof decking, exterior deck, siding, fencing, exterior trim, furring, and strapping jobs. A no-mar contact tip is included with this tool. With numerous available today, it knows to have a reputation you'll trust. This is undoubtedly that and can be an excellent acquisition. For this reduced price, this is widely recommended and may be a regular choice amongst most people. USA Corp has included some excellent touches, and this equals great value. At number 3, we have the Hitachi coil nailer for siding. The Hitachi NV65A H2 develops a wide range of severity devices, including various pneumatic siding nailers needed to be developed. When using this siding nailer for development, you get similar 1.5 inch to 2.5 inch long nail support. Being a pneumatic apparatus, these nails can drive a lot of hard work. The client has to attach an air blower with a continuous operational aerial tension from 70 psi to 120 psi. Once this is done, you run 2.5 inch nails at a fast speed of up to 3 nails for each subsequent, saving a lot of time for the client. It is more close to it by the incredible form of quality, which is remarkably regular, despite being exceptionally solid and sturdy, weighing only 4.8 pounds, which is very average for the proposed display. At number 2, we have the Makita AN611 nailer for siding. With the Makita AN611 power, highlighting the 3-mode determination, there is also a built-in air channel for remnants and flotsam and jetsam minimization, even multi-directional fume ports to take the client away from the client. This is an excellent quality model that is increasingly expensive, yet to claim the reputation of a reputation nailer, it does not overcome it. Usually, light and over the top, we could see that this nail was a breeze to use and contained a significant number of extra highlights. Remnants and trash are never a problem due to the inherent air channel, and the smoker port can be moved 360 away. Any need to strain your face when working. It was the strongest model we have had the pleasure of using at any time. You even have the option of using siding nails with a length of 1-1/4, 2-1/2 inch. When you balance the profitability settings, you will have the option of using this model most of the time a long time continuously. With no stacking and a jam tool, it is an ideal pneumatic nailer for developer workers and home clients. And finally, at number 1, we have the Freeman PCC65 coil siding nailer. Freeman PCC65 siding nails and a side stacking magazine that's straightforward. Magazines range from 200 to 400 latches and clients can choose between plastic and wireless. It allows clients to change the subordination of their acquisition needs. Tough, this model is made of aluminum so that it is lightweight. The unit fits nicely into the client's hands and offers the opposite of the ease of vibration. It additionally supports their item with a 1-year guarantee, so it's a concept that's guaranteed to last long. Incense can turn 360 degrees, yet incense is hard to turn a decent and awful perspective. In addition to this, it has developed a sturdy, lightweight pneumatic nail that provides straight magazine housing for a simple survey. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.